So now we'll talk about delivering the media gallery. For delivery, we like to use Dropbox. Other popular tools are Pixieset or SmugMug. I personally haven't used those. I believe Pixieset is like a really pretty looking one, and it allows them to just do it a la carte. You don't even have to have these conversations. It might just make it a lot easier. But what we do is we use Dropbox. It's basically our whole photo library. We can access our high res and our low res all on the go. We have, under our Bobo and Chi-Chi, we have a client folder, and then the name of the client, and then we have media gallery. And when we export them, we're exporting them at low resolution with a watermark. And this is important because there are a lot of services that will take a watermark off, but if you're doing this, they can just see a small scale version of it. This is just a way to protect yourself. I think on the other softwares it has a watermark overlay, but that's just the situation that we do. Obviously, feel free to use whatever one makes the most sense for you. One quick thing is in Lightroom, if you haven't already done this, go ahead into your metadata section and go ahead and add your name. You can see where it is right here. Just go ahead and add your name. That way now your metadata is saved to all of your photos, and it'll be easier, for you to, if there were some sort of dispute, it'd be a lot easier because now they have your serial number and they have that, obviously the artist is you.